Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn job posting strategy for recruiters, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Once on your profile, locate the Jobs tab in the main menu. Click on Jobs to access the job posting section. Scroll down to find the Post a Job button on the right side of the page. Click on the Post a Job button to start creating a new job listing. Fill in the job title field with the appropriate position. Select the company for which you are posting the job. Provide a detailed job description including key responsibilities and qualifications. Add relevant skills necessary for the position. Set the location of the job to attract candidates from that area. Choose the employment type, such as full-time, part-time, or contract. Define a budget for your job posting to increase visibility. Select the audience targeting options to reach the right candidates. Review your job listing for any missing information or errors. Once satisfied, click the Post Job button to publish your listing. Monitor the performance of your job posting through the LinkedIn dashboard. Engage with applicants by responding to messages in a timely manner. Make adjustments to your job posting strategy based on performance metrics. Regularly update your job listings to keep them relevant. Consider using LinkedIn's additional resources for best practices in job posting. Encourage employee referrals to further enhance your recruitment strategy. Review and refine your approach periodically to ensure ongoing effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.